tear dots turn red. Now that hemoglobin flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gon' try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, please take away all these imperfections, renovate my heart and purify my soul. Do to me what I do to my floors when I sand them. If you open up them doors for me, I won't be too demanding. Your truth, love, and light is what I always stand in. I'm your fierce, humble servant, just like you commanded. I got favor, God's favor, and nobody can take it from me. I am worthy of every good thing, and I'm gonna be who God called me to be. Way back then, when my thoughts was full of sin, God's truthful love for me I couldn't comprehend, cause I felt over-processed like a bad lace front job. I'm God's chosen but struggling, that's kinda odd. When you stand close to the light, you bound to get burned. There's some things on this journey I had to learn on my own, but then God was in plain sight. I was never alone. Against me on this right path, many weapons was formed. They tried to point